Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to represent irrational number, that is root 3, on the number line. In my last video I have explained you how to represent root 2 on the number line. Okay, scale we are going to take the same. 1 unit is equal to 3 centimeter, and reason I have already told you that there should be no messy diagram. That's the reason you can take 1 unit, that is the difference between two consecutive integers, is equal to 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. It totally depends on you. Okay, I have taken here 1 unit is equal to 3 centimeter, and I have already drawn the root 2. If you want to learn, if you want to know how to represent root 2 on the number line, please watch my last video. Now we are going to represent root 3 on the number line. What I am going to do, I am going to do the same thing, but this time I am going to draw the perpendicular. Remember one thing, for root 3 it is very important to draw root 2, because we are going to draw the perpendicular from root 2 with the help of ruler and the sketch or pencil. So I am going to draw the perpendicular from root 2, which I have already explained you. So this is the perpendicular. It's from root 2. Okay, I have drawn the perpendicular from root 2. Now the same procedure, same method. I am going to take the distance of 1 unit, that is 0 to 1. Okay, this is 1 unit from 0 to 1. 1 unit from 0 to 1. Okay, now I am going to put the steel point of the compass on root 2. Okay, and I am going to draw the arc on this perpendicular. I am going to draw the arc on the perpendicular. The arc is drawn with the help of the compass only. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take the distance. I'll give the name here A, and this 0 I'll give the name O. 0 I'll give the name O. After that I'm going to join O and A. This point, intersecting point is A. This I'm going to join with the dotted line. Okay, now I will take the distance OA only with the help of the compass. I will take the distance OA only. Okay, this is the distance. Okay, and I am going to draw the arc on the number line. I am going to draw same distance. I am going to take. I am going to draw the arc on the number line. So this intersecting point is nothing but a root 3. This intersecting point is nothing but a root 3. Now we'll see the explanation. This is perpendicular, so 90 degrees must. Now I will give the name here also. This is OA. I'll give the name here C. Okay, now in triangle AOC, in triangle AOC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle, so we can apply their Pythagoras theorem. Means OA whole square is equal to OC whole square, OC whole square plus AC whole square. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will substitute the value OC. You can see this point is root 2. So OC I am going to write here root 2 whole square plus AC is 1 unit. So here 1 unit is equal to root 2 square means 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So OA whole square is 3. So OA is equal to what? Root 3 by taking square root on both the sides. Okay, now you can see that this O, I'll give the name over here D. Okay, this OA, the point root 3, the distance is equal to OA, so this OA is equal to OD. OA is equal to OD. Okay, and OA is what? Root 3. Therefore OD is also root 3. So this point is root 3. Now in my next video I am going to explain how to represent minus root 2 on the number line. Watch my video to know the basic concepts of mathematics. Thank you.